Hey, so I chose to talk about cyberbullying and online drama. Um, One thing I found really interesting is the difference between cyberbullying and drama, where cyberbullying is more of the deliberate, everyday type of stuff that is very much seen as harassment and unnecessary comments and violence online toward people, whereas the drama is more or less um, differences that people have between each other, the everyday kind of arguments. It's less dramatic than cyberbullying. But just some quick statistics about cyberbullying that I found. 1 in 4 teens are bullied online, and 9 out of 10 of the LGBT community is bullied online, which I thought were crazy high numbers. Something else I found really interesting is that it's more common for a peer to the students to step in and say something than it is for an adult. The rate of an adult to step in is 4%, whereas percentage of a peer is actually 11%, and 43% of children. Doesn't just have to do with online, but fear their own bathrooms in high school because of the privacy that they have in their bathroom without teacher supervision. Just some things I think are really important to teach our students is to learn or just try and teach them how to establish confidence and standing up for themselves and not feeling like they're going to be belittled if they stand up for themselves or made fun of. So we can teach them how to talk about positive communication between peers, how to report certain comments if they think that they're hurtful or harassing to adults, to their parents, to their teachers, to their counselors, to anybody really that can help them. And we also, one thing that's really important, as those statistics show, people don't step in. So I think it's really important for us to teach our students how to be upstanders, which is defined as people who don't follow the stigma of bystanding. They actually get involved and help whoever is getting hurt, harassed, whatever, help them and defend them. So it's important to teach our students to keep their information private, passwords, usernames, try to keep them as private as you can. Something that I found online, and also things that I heard growing up: never write something down or put it in a post that you wouldn't want people to see. So don't write notes in your computer if your computer is not password protected. So don't let that kind of stuff lay around for other people to steal. And so I think it's really important, especially as suicide rates go up, to teach our children to not, to find better ways to express themselves than by taking it out on each other online. Thank you.